Is it important to invest in a lot of companies and diversify, or what's your opinion? I've heard two sides of this.
Yeah, I've heard two sides of it as well. I think it really comes down to the investor, but generally speaking, it's best to have a diversified portfolio. Number one. Number two, invest a small percentage of your net worth, so that if you lose the money, you're not, out of luck. And then also recognize that it's a long time horizon. I think a lot of investors don't realize it's a long time horizon. It'll be 10 years or plus before you see a meaningful exit. There's no liquidity during that time frame. So somebody gets sick, you need to buy a new car, junior needs to go to college, no access to that capital. So, and then also people need to recognize, do they have the right risk appetite to become an investor as well?
Mm-hmm. So about 100 deals over what period of time?
100 deals over the past 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah. So to answer your original question about diversified portfolio, I'd say it's better to do, so there are two different schools of thought. One school of thought is be very, very targeted and be very, very select. We have a mutual friend investor who does that, right? And picks on one company that he's super passionate about, and that's the one.
7 out of 1,400
exactly
pitches.
Exactly. Yeah. And then there's another school of thought of having diversified portfolio, because you just need one company to return your investments. So I usually think about 20 to 30 companies as a first-time investor, and then you figure out, one, how much money do you want to allocate to angel investing, how much you want to allocate to the firms, but also thinking about, do you have an investment thesis? Are you focused in a core sector or not? And also thinking about, are you doing only seed, or are you also going to have dry powder for follow-on rounds as well? Because sometimes, as you've seen, there are multiple seed rounds as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.